I chose Farahi Law Firm as I was scrolling through Yelp actually for just personal injury lawyers. Not Farahi Law Firm specifically, but a lot of different firms and lawyers. I was just reading reviews, and a lot of people were saying a lot of comforting things about Justin and the firm itself. So the accident occurred, I was driving straight, and there was a car that was parked on the side of like the sidewalk where cars can park, and they were, I guess, pulling out to go into the road, and they sped up so that I guess they could beat me into the lane, but they ended up hitting me, and they pushed me to the other side of the street, so like onto like the opposite traffic, but there were no cars there at the time, luckily, because there was a red light on Santa Monica Boulevard. And yeah, that was pretty scary. My experience with the Farahi Law Firm was that they were very warm, and Justin made it a point to tell me, don't worry about these little things that you're like making yourself anxious worrying about, but let me take care of them, and you worry about, you know, your pain and getting that treated, and you know, staying in a good state of mind. And that was exactly what I wanted to hear. My biggest injury, I guess, was just pain in different parts of my body. Like I had pain on my back, along my spine, and then also like on the left side there was like muscles that were spasming, so like it was weird. I would turn my head when I was driving my car and it would hurt in my back, and so that was the biggest one. I had headaches that would come and go, but that would also cause me to lose concentration when I was doing my studying for MCAT and stuff like that. So that was pretty hard, but yeah, just pain in different parts of my body. At the time of the accident, the other gentleman who was driving the car, he got out and he was yelling at me, and like he was like, no, it's all your fault. And I was just thinking like, okay, this is a pretty big accident, and this guy wants to take no responsibility for it. So what am I gonna do? You know, so I just really wanted someone to represent me and kind of protect me in a way from whatever he was gonna do to like make sure that he had nothing, like no responsibility in this. So yeah, just someone to stand up for me, I guess. After everything that they did for me, and the number of times that they kind of had to go back and forth with the other party, I think it was a fair settlement. I definitely do recommend others to come to Farahi Law Firm with any problems that they have, or if they're feeling scared after a car crash and just not feeling like, or just feeling like you don't know what to do next or where to go, or like if your family has no idea like what advice to give you, you know. I think talking to someone who knows exactly what they're doing, who has experience in cases like this, like every day, but also has the ability to like walk you through the steps in a way that makes you less confused, you know, like but like makes you feel comforted. I'd really like to say thank you to Justin and his team at Farahi Law Firm for everything that they've done for me in terms of the case, but also in terms of like how they made me feel very welcome and safe. So thank you.